Forgiveness is not one day activity, it's a daily ritual. Hi, welcome to day number 47 of 100 Days of Hope No Healing, where every single day we are working on raising our emotion, elevating our energy, and becoming an empowered version of us. And up till date 50, we are working on claiming our freedom through forgiveness. Tell me, do you brush your teeth every day? Every single day? Do you ever forget? But why do you brush every single day? When you brush, you feel very fresh, right? And when you eat, when you do your day-to-day activity, slowly, steadily, your mouth starts to sting because of the bacteria that keep on developing. Although you have been brushing your teeth for so many years, but these bacteria come back again, and they kind of cause that bad smell. And to avoid that, and also to keep your teeth clean, you brush, isn't it? Now, why am I actually giving you a lesson on dentistry? No. The point is that the way we have to take care of our physical sanity, same way we have to take care of our emotional sanity also. And the way the bad odor came back, the bacteria develop, our negative emotions also come back repeatedly. The resentment develops over time. We feel same emotions because we have become habitual to it. But the main point is, even when we feel those emotions again, how quickly do we come into the realization that this is not we really want to feel, and that we really want to choose forgiveness and our peace over all these negative emotions and all this resentment which we have been carrying through. Am I right? Same way, the way you brush and you feel fresh, every time you forgive, every time you do this ritual, you feel that freshness of emotion itself, which not only elevates your situation, but it also elevates your frequency. Your being itself start to develop into altogether a new personality. Your persona refines, your aura changes just by when you actually really pay attention to yourself. So likewise, we do the different activities to sanitize our physical environment, our body itself. Same way, we have to do the rituals to keep the sanity of our emotions. And Ho'oponopono helps in that very powerfully, because Ho'oponopono is meant to make things correct. The meaning of word Ho'oponopono is itself to make things perfect or make things correct or correct the thing. So because the meaning of the word Ho'oponopono itself is to correct what is not okay. So today I really want you to cleanse this pattern itself, to go back into resentment. Today check with yourself, how many times did you feel those emotions again? Once you have identified, take a deep breath in, breathe out, place your hands on your heart and say with me, I'm sorry, I got triggered again. I got triggered again multiple times. Please forgive me. I still reacted few of the times. Thank you so much. I could catch myself there, and I could choose to reset so many times. I love you, as I slowly slid you, claiming back my freedom, as I am choosing forgiveness every time I feel resentment. I'm sorry for not letting these triggers go. Please forgive me, as I am not appreciating myself for all the time I chose forgiveness. Thank you. Every time I choose forgiveness, I feel that ease in me. I love you for all the progress I am making by means of accepting myself, being attentive to myself. Soak this in. Repeat this prayer 6 to 7 times, and afterwards say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you for 108 times. And with that, ensure that you practice this every single day. Likewise, brushing your teeth don't take much time, but it helps you to as you do your daily rituals of brushing, bathing, Same way, ensure that you do daily ritual of Ho'oponopono to cleanse your emotions as well. Alright, with that we close day number 47. See you again tomorrow on day number 48 with yet another practice. Till then, happy Ho'oponopono.